I just kind of want you to stay in place, so it's just mostly like a body, like here, so it is like that, exactly. 2, 1, oh, video. Video. All right, so today should be interesting. So we're doing a vintage bikini shoot on Biscayne. There's a lot of vintage motels here. I've been super into vintage lately. Seems like the rest of the world. I'm working with a gorgeous model, Caro, and I thought she was perfect for this shoot, so I've been planning it for a while. The only problem is the motels we're gonna shoot at, we're technically not allowed to shoot there, so it's only a matter of time before security kicks us out, but I have 3 motels lined up, back to back to back. So if we get kicked out of one, we'll go to the next one. Kicked out of one, go to the next one. We're just gonna keep rolling. We're gonna record the whole thing. We're just gonna wing it. We're gonna stay very light today. I'm just gonna have my camera. I hired a BTS videographer. Yeah, stay tuned. Beautiful Miami's a beautiful day, not a cloud in sight. Perfect day to shoot. Let's get it.
Let's go. What do you think about this hair?
I love the hair.
Crazy.
I love the hair. I love it.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you.
God.
Always gotta match color to your background. See, that's what we're doing here. Yellow's okay, but we're gonna throw it with a red suit or like a black suit. So you wanna throw whatever you're wearing on the background, get some color. My model kit. So this, don't go to any shoot without this, right? It's a little changing tent. This is my swimwear bag. So we got the oil sheen. It's really messy right now. We got brushes, we got everything. And in Miami, you definitely need this.
Yeah. Okay, I think I got it. Let's see.
Perfect. Yeah, first try. Let's go. Nice.
Yeah.
All right, so for all you nerds out there, I'm shooting with a Sony A7 IV. Right, I got my trusty 2470 on there. I'm shooting photo and video, so I got a 2 to 5 mist filter. Probably might just take this off in between shoots. This is the Helix mag lock, so on, off, love this thing.
I don't know why it's looking like a white, my hair.
Like a what?
Yeah, like a white thing. You see?
Oh, yeah, we got to take a little bit off of it.
Yeah.
No.
I think with the brush. It's better.
Yeah, brush it out. Let's tell them who you are.
Caro Londoño.
From Dominican Republico.
Colombia.
Colombia?
Yeah.
I thought you were DR.
No.
What?
Okay, let's start then.
Okay, this was the first look right here, but this car is in the way. We need more sun, so come over here. This is like a hair that's like sticking out. Yeah, perfect. Nice. See that light on her head, on the face? That's what I want. A little bit sun more.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what you want me to do in the video? Tell me everything.
So video, I just kind of want you to stay in place, so it's just mostly like a body, like here, so it is like that, exactly. 3, 2, 1. Oh, video. Sorry. Video. Love. Body, come into body. Nice. Ooh, I love that. Keep that. Do that again with the waist. Small waist, good. Love. Good. Eye contact. Gorgeous. Let's go side of body now. Do you have a favorite side?
Huh?
Do you have a side that you like? Okay. Face towards the sun. A little bit more. And now I want you to emphasize just the side of your body, so very nice pop. There you go. Gorgeous. Love. Vibing, feeling yourself. Yes. Eyes. Beautiful. Love. Okay, let's try to get some full body now. Good. Love. Pushing the bikini. Yes. Chin up. Beautiful. Moving. Oh, I love that. This way. Love. Work with me. Okay. Wow, that's a shot right there. Beautiful.
Wow.
Right? Yeah. The red, the green, the blue.
And the hair too.
Yeah.
Because I was worried with
I
that.
told you, I told you.
I never have used my hair like this.
Really?
You're the first one. Everybody always like, let's do afro. I'm like, no.
Nah.
But I know I was in good hands.
When I saw you, that's what I wanted. I was like, we need a show.
But when I saw you too, I said, okay, in him, I'm gonna do it because that can be go bad too.
So you notice like the way I'm shooting, Miami does a lot of booty photographers. And look, sex sells, right? And in the bikinis are so unforgiving because like, look, this is already like, it's already sexy. So there's no point for me to go like, we're trying to capture a vintage, right? This is a beautiful vintage motel. Get a little shot of it, turn around. This is built like, I don't know, what, 50, 60 years ago? And her bikini is very vintage, so we want to just give like a little bit of nostalgic feel. If you shoot too much ass, then you get, you lose the feeling of it. What are you really selling? And I try to make sure like this appeals to both men and women, Women mostly, but see, because women are the ones that are going to be buying these bikinis. Dale. 3, 2, 1. Love that. Let's use it on this side. Let's have you more this side more. I want to put some of the green in it. Work, 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 work. Freestyle, freestyle. Make it yours. Show off, show off. I love that. Good, good, good. We got fans here. Is she good? She doing good?
I do, yeah.
Her?
Yeah, but I do too.
But shoulders, I mean, like you're here, like you're leaning back, and then like pinch the shoulders forward like this. Yes, that's what I want. There you go, love. Chin up. Beautiful, that's it. Good, good, good. Chin up there. Now all face here, all face. Give me face, face. I like that. I like that. Do that again.
I don't have the talent.
That's good. Chin up. Yes. Good, 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 good. Can you see your face? Beautiful. Yes, 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 right there. Love. Again. Good, tilt back. Love, back, all the way back. You're loving, you're vibing. Now chin up and eyes here. Love that. Beautiful. Now eye contact. Beautiful. You got it? Keep going. There you go, left, right, left. Right.
I'm not gonna know how to say.
Chin up. Face that way, and then you're gonna look over your shoulder. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, good. Got the big, beautiful brown eyes and the cat eye there. That's perfect. So here we got like a nice split look. See, this part of our body's in shadow, and there's sun over here. So now like everything's popping, muscles, everything. It accentuates the body really well. But we chin up. We don't want that on the face. The face, we want that facing the sun. No shadows on the front part of her face, right? Just the body. Chin up. Beautiful. Body, 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 body. Yes, moving, moving, moving. That's what we want. Just so much contrast right there. Love that. I'll let you choose the next color.
What color, guys?
Or black.
No,
But it's
no,
too
no.
plain.
Something like this. This is a real guy that protects the model.
Okay. How much?
It's 150 an hour.
Really?
Yep.
I mean, I have liability insurance.
Yeah, but you had to pay 250 an hour.
Not even 5 minutes, just quick. Is this for like?
I'm sorry. Liability doesn't let us do that.
But we can do it outside though, right? We can do it here on the bar.
Not really. It's the whole problem. We I already run into issues.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, can't do it.
I give you 50 for 5
Do
minutes.
it. Sorry. You have to have all the paperwork ready and everything before you even come inside.
Okay. The only thing is just do the other side. We'll do the public part of it. So let's just go to the other side.
We're showing the streets. The streets are okay.
Yeah, streets are okay.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. If we just shoot maybe like here, we could do right here. So we won't, the damn cars in the background and shit, it's gonna look terrible. We know we're gonna get caught with security at some point. We got away with it at the first hotel, so can't complain about that. There's nothing but crackheads there. Half of the the damn guests were missing teeth.
Yeah.
One of them was just some weird shit, so. These street shoots are exhausting mentally, because you're thinking, one, like directing the model, two, making sure your settings are all good, three, keeping an eye out for anything that might interfere with the shoot. So, like I was saying, these street shoots are mentally exhausting, because, I mean, usually, and then you have these all right, buddy, keep it moving. You got that shit happening. And I'm thinking about my settings, and I'm thinking about directing her, and I'm also vlogging right now. There's a lot. And some nice bunny ears here. Perfect. Let's just freestyle from there. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Drop the arms down. It's moving, moving. Good. Wow. Let's clean the glasses. I see the spots now. No. Caro. You got too much oil on you. You can't.
You are gonna destroy more.
I want to show off the side of your body. Stomach. Yep. Beautiful. Gorgeous. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, let's get some photo. Okay, good. Hold. Yes, that's the one. I think I have enough. So you want to do your skating video?
Got it or no?
Got it. I got it.
Gracias, baby. 1, 2, 3.
Careful. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. That's a wrap. We got kicked out. We got honked at. We had crackheads coming in. We had a whole, but everything I expected to happen happened. This is Miami for the shot. So, peace and love.